Today we discuss about enteric fever. Enteric fever. Enteric fever is caused mainly by Salmonella species. Salmonella species. What are the Salmonella species? They are classified under enterobacterials. Under enterobacterials. Right? Classification of Salmonella. Classification. There are many classification. First, there is clinical classification. In clinical classification, they are broadly divided into typhoidal, Salmonella, and non-typhoidal. Salmonella, otherwise known as NTS. Under the typhoidal Salmonella, there are groups like Salmonella typhi, Salmonella paratyphi, A, B, and C. On the other hand, in the non-typhoidal Salmonella, they mainly infect the animals and causes gastroenteritis. The examples are Salmonella typhimurium, Salmonella enteritis. These are not typhimurium and enteritis. Others so many. In Salmonella typhoid Salmonella, the main species are Salmonella typhi and Salmonella typhi B and C. This is the clinical classification. And what are these cause? These typhoid Salmonella cause enteric fever in humans. Enteric fever in human. Then there is another classification. Called as antigenic classification. Otherwise called as in named classification, that is Kaufman and White. White classification. Here is the antigenic classification. Based on the serogroup, they are divided into different types. These are first serogroup and the type of Salmonella, that is the serotype. We should remember it like that. That is 2, 4, 7 and 9. Under 2, the serotype is Salmonella paratyphi A. 4, Salmonella paratyphi B, and 7, Salmonella paratyphi C, and for 9, this is Salmonella typhi. By this order, we can remember that is 2 for Salmonella paratype A, 4 for B, 7 for C, and 9 for Salmonella paratype. Salmonella paratype. Understand? And there is another classification called as molecular classification. Molecular classification. Molecular classification, in which the Salmonella, the genus Salmonella is a genus and is divided into two subspecies, that is Salmonella Enterica and Salmonella bongori. These are the species. According to the molecular classification by DNA hybridization technique, DNA hybridization technique, the Salmonella Enterica is further divided into six subspecies. I name it as a mnemonic, that is DASHI/E. DASHI/E. You should remember like that. D for Arizona. This is Arizona. S for Salmai. H for Hortonai. I for Indica. E for Antarctica. These are the 6 subspecies of the Salmonella species. Thank you.